In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove hidden album from your iPhone's Photos app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and if you want to make your hidden album more private and secure, you are able to hide it from the Utilities section. To do that, head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll all the way down until you find Photos. And that's where we need to search for the option which is called Show Hidden Album. All you have to do in order to hide hidden album is just turn it off. As you can see, now hidden album is no longer displayed here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.